Hi, this is Melinda and we're going to have a look at how to use the WordPress content management system to add information to your website. So the first thing to know, type your full domain up here in the browser and then after it put /wp-admin, so wp-admin, and then press enter and that will bring you up the WordPress login screen here. This is where you can put in your username and password that we would have given you to get you started. So we log in and this is what you see. You'll see this is the back end of our blog and website. So the first thing that comes up is the dashboard. An important thing to know, when you add content, you can either add a post or a page. Now, a page is the permanent pages of your website that are on your navigation. So things like your About Us and your Contact Us page. But if you actually want to add an article to your blog, you do it as a post. And that's what we're going to look at now. So over here in the left-hand column, go posts, click add new, and this is what you'll see. So up here, this is where you can put your headline in. So I'm just going to write test article on WordPress CMS as my heading. And down here, I'm going to say, here I'm going to explain how to use the CMS. Okay, so you've got your little WYSIWYG editor here. What you see is what you get. It's a bit similar to what you'll see in Word. So really you block over the text that you want to change. You can make it bold with that. You can make it italic. An important thing is the formatting and the styles that have been set. So if you want to make your top line big, like a headline, use this one here and pull down the heading one that we've set for you. So that makes it big. It gets identified as H1 in the HTML, which is something that Google looks at when it decides what your text is about and when it's searching for keywords. It's good to know that the text that you see on the screen here in the CMS will look different when you view it in its live form, so it doesn't look exactly the same. Something else I wanted to show you is how to do a link. So if I wanted to hyperlink, for example, to another page of a website, I just block the text that I want to link. I click this little one here, which is the add edit link. And then you can type in www, like if I wanted that to go to my website now, I can just type in my website address. And the options here, you can either go in the same window, so it'll redirect people from your post to that link, or I use a new window for this because that keeps your post open in a browser and it opens a new browser window for the link that you've put in, but that depends on your preference. And then you can press insert link. There you've done your hyperlink. Bullets and numbering are here as well if you want to format your text. The other thing I wanted to show you is how to add an image. So you go here, upload, insert, click on this one, which is add an image, the first little square box, and then select files. So you need to have saved the file to somewhere on your computer. I'm just going to use a logo that I had there handy. You can see WordPress takes a second or two to load it up. And then down here, caption is actually the text that will appear underneath the image. So if you want to explain what the image is, we can just call that AdWords logo. Whereas description is actually if blind people are reading your website, that's what the reader will say the image is about. So it's a good place to describe your image and also to include your keywords. So it's pretty similar to my caption. I'm going to say that's an AdWords qualified logo. And then I scroll down here, you can pick the position where you'd like the image to appear and the size, and then go insert into post and just wait a second, and there you can see it's been added in there. Now the options, once you've done a new post, you can either save the draft if you don't want to publish it yet, or if you're happy with everything, you can publish it straight away over here. And when we come back, I'm just going to save this as a draft for now, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to use the all-in-one SEO pack.